Okay, let us continue section B. Question number 1. Diagram 1 show a portable Bunsen burner. Mark correct to the correct method for the handling the apparatus. Yes, what will be your answer?
Roman 1, Roman 2.
Roman 1 and Roman 2. Lighting the match before the turning on the gas. Yes, that is very essential process. Not on the gas, then only you want to light up. That can cause a fire accident. We always light the match first, then only we turn on the gas. Adjust the collar to control the amount of air entering. Yes, because our Bunsen burner is a working principle. It's like you open this collar to allow certain some air to go inside and mix with the gas inside the Bunsen burner. Mixture of gas and air will produce the fire. Okay, so how we control how much air we want to stuff inside our Bunsen burner, then we adjust with our collar, which that is correct. Okay, and third one, close the air hole. There is air hole to obtain a blue flame. No, that won't give you a blue flame. That is wrong. Okay, no need to put wrong. Open the air hole of the Bunsen burner widely after heating and for the next use. No, there is no such procedure when handling Bunsen burner. Alright, now circle any two answer PQRS to show the correct method of heating by using a portable Bunsen burner. Your answer.
P and S.
P and S. Okay. P is wrong. You know why? Because you put a cork stopper here, it might cause the liquid or the gas inside this test tube to expand and burst. Okay, boleh meletup. Okay, so this cork stopper cannot be here. It must be open like this when you want to heat up something. And for our petri dish, we won't use like this. We will normally put a tripod stand. Okay, this is wrong method. Okay, we normally put a tripod stand like this. Okay, jadi jawapan dia adalah Q and S. Okay, question number 2, form 1, chapter 2. Human have various type of cell. Each of the cell in the human body has its own specific function. Match the following type of cell with their function. Okay, yes, Roman 1,
Roman 1, destroy bacteria to protect the body from disease.
correct. Okay, Roman
Roman
2,
2, allow movement of the body.
yeah. Okay, allow the movement of the body because this is muscle cell, and this one is the white blood cell. Okay, white blood cell destroy bacteria to protect the body from the disease. Yeah, correct lah. The main function is kill microorganism. So what is the method of killing microorganism? Sometimes it will release toxin, sometimes it will fight head on head, sometimes it also will produce antibody. Okay, white blood cell ni dia ada banyak jenis, jadi dia akan it will fight the microorganism according to its need lah. Okay, right, and cover the body surface. What cell is that?
Epithelium cell.
Epithelium, epithelial or epithelium. Okay, epithelium cell lah. Okay, right, that will cover the body surface. Okay, question B. Mark correct for the correct statement about the organization of cell in the human body. Your answer?
Roman 2 and Roman 3.
Roman 2 and Roman 3. Okay, let's check. You tell this. Okay. Tissue is a basic unit of life. Already wrong. Basic dia mesti cell. Mana boleh tissue. A cell is a basic unit of life which consists of a group of same cell. Ah, walaupun dia cakap a group of same cell is equal to tissue, but you cannot refer a tissue with the you cannot coin the tissue term with a basic unit of life. A basic unit of life definitely for the cell. Okay, this one memang tissue lah. Okay, but how you can combine the definitions? So this is wrong. A group of different organ working together to perform a specific function form a system. Yes, because we know that cell becoming tissue, tissue becoming organ, organ becoming system, system become organism. So a collective of a organ will form a system. Yes, correct. The organization of a cell show that human are complex organism. Definitely. That's why we have a lot of cell. Due to a lot of cell, we have many tissue, many organ, many system that form us as an organism. Okay. The correct order in the level of cell organization is cell, organ, tissue. No, cell, tissue, organ. Ini salah. Alright, so jawapan dia 2 and 3. Excellent. Okay, question number 3. Diagram 3.1 show a gas cylinder. Okay. Underline the correct answer about the safety measure when using a high pressure gas cylinder. Store cylinder in a
Up store cylinder in a dry, well ventilated, secure area and away from combustible material.
yes, must be dry material and don't put it in a wet material. It should be dry and always keep your gas cylinder in a
Upright position.
macam ni kita tengok dapur kita macam ni kita tak baring kan. Okay, that will be very dangerous. I don't know how it will be the effect, but in the gas itself they tell us don't do in a you know lying down position. Okay, it must be upright position, tegak. All right, question B. Where is it? Okay, diagram 3.2 show a tin filled with water is heated, then the cold water is poured onto the hot tin. Predict the correct observation explanation for this situation. So you must tell which one among 1 and 2 what is the observation, among 3 and 4 what is the explanation. 1 and 2, which one is the observation?
I think one.
Yeah, tin become crush. Why?
Atmospheric pressure.
Yeah, அதாவது 3 நாள்ல எது வரும்?
4.
4. Okay, air pressure outside is higher than the air pressure inside, definitely. Okay, so you cold the thing, the thing sorry, the thing is very hot. Okay, and suddenly you put cold water means, okay, the tin will become crushed. Kemi, it will become crushed because the outside atmospheric pressure will crush the tin. Okay, so yeah, jawapan dia number 4, 1 and 4. All right, next, number 4. Wind is one of the source of energy. Diagram 4 show a windmill that is used for grinding grains. Okay. Okay, grinding grains. Contoh blend your gandum ke beras ke macam tu. Alright. Mark correct for the correct statement and X for the incorrect statement for the above about the source of energy shown. Our wind energy lah. Okay, which one is correct? Does not cause pollution? Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. How about number 2? It converts gravitational potential energy into electrical energy.
Wrong.
Why it is wrong?
It transfers kinetic energy to electrical energy.
Very good. Excellent. Kinetic energy to electrical energy. Limited energy source?
Wrong.
Wrong. Because open air is it's a nature. It's not limited. Okay. Cannot produce a lot of energy.
I think correct.
That one correct. I know why you think like that, because dua sudah salah, dua betul lah. Okay, actually yes. Windmill என்னதான் வேகமா சுத்தினாலும், although it rotates fast, it cannot produce that much of electrical energy. That's why windmill dia guna untuk satu house saja. Dia tak guna untuk banyak house. Contoh di Germany, dia ada banyak kawasan yang angin dia bertiup kencang, bukan kencang, like we have the, you know, tempat yang ada selalu angin lah. So for at there all each house will be equipped with a windmill. Okay, so that means they no need to pay the government. They build up their own windmill, and then they just enjoy their electricity there. If let's say the windmill got anything problem, they will having a backup generator, okay, to generate the electricity. Okay, so example of country practicing this, you can tell China got practice, a certain part of China, and Germany. Okay, all right. Now source of energy, we can classify into renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source. Okay, which are renewable energy source?
Wind and geothermal energy.
Yeah, wind and geothermal. Very good. How about non-renewable? Oh, the other two, right? Okay.
Ah,
Right. Fossil fuels and radioactive substances. Okay, give me examples of fossil fuels. What is fossil fuels? Kita,
petrol.
yeah,
Petrol.
petroleum. Under petroleum, diesel, everything come under here. Petroleum, kerosene, everything is under petroleum. Lagi ada tiga yang selalu kita sebut fossil fuel. Natural, natural gas, gas asli, and one more is the coal, arang batu. Okay, these are the fossil fuels that we are using. Okay, all right. Number 5. Okay, these are in Malay version. We try out the English version one. Okay, horizontal. What energy is stored in substance can be burned or changed chemically? Example, chemical. Oh, they already put chemical. Chemical energy is stored in a substance that can be burned. அதாவது என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா fossil fuels. Fossil fuelsல எப்பவுமே chemical energies இருக்கும், or change chemically, like a food வந்து change chemically what, because அது sunlightல இருந்து அழகா அது glucose ஆக்க மாறதுக்கு it's change chemically we call it. Okay, anyway, number 1.
Heat.
Number 1 heat. I think number 2 அது சீலாப்பா போட்டிருக்காங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Yeah, heat. Increase the temperature of an object cause it to feel hot. Heat, okay. Found in object that move. Number 3.
Kinetic.
Kinetic. Okay, stored in object due to its position or condition.
Potential.
Potential energy, potential energy. And finally, enable us to see things around us.
Light.
Light. Very good. Okay, we done section B. Okay, I want you to try section C as well, because you must try first. If try to answer the kebat section also, maybe get some ideas. I just want to see how you develop the ideas. Okay, so we got form 2 topic here, the level topic, and also form 1 topic here, the matter. Okay, 6 and 7 first. We try to settle 2 by 2. Okay, try this one first. Okay, let's listen your answers. Okay, now the first question. Matter is made up of small particles which are in random motion. Okay, the condition of this particle allowed matter exist in 3 states: solid, liquid, gas. Okay, matter is made up of small and discrete particles, and the particles are continuously to move in random motion. Ini yang kita cakap kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter. Okay, in our form 1 we learn this. Okay, kena ingat next year you want to take chemistry. The second chapter or first chapter will touch on this. Okay, now give one similarities between solid and liquid.
Has fixed mass.
Has fixed mass. Yes, has fixed mass ataupun volume pun boleh juga. Okay, state one difference between a liquid and a gas.
Liquid has fixed mass, meanwhile gas does not have fixed mass.
Yeah. Oh, you want to play the same ball. Can? Alright. அதுவும் சொல்லலாம். Okay. What are the characteristics that gas have but liquid does not have? Anything come to your mind? Example, your gas can be compressed, but your liquid you cannot compress. Okay?
Ah,
Yeah. A gas can be compressed, while a liquid cannot be compressed. Okay, next. Diagram 6.1 show the change of the state of matter. Okay, so we have a solid. This one is solid, although they never label us. Liquid, and this is gas. Explain process M based on kinetic theory of matter. What is process M?
condensation.
So how you explain based on kinetic theory of matter? Kinetic theory, sorry.
The particle lose energy and move slower and closer to one another.
Okay, move slower, yes, correct. அப்புறம் closer to one another.
Hmm.
Mm, are they closer? Yeah, closer to one another, correct. ஏன்னா நம்ம வந்து இப்போ heat release, right, good. Both points are there. Alright, first வந்து move slower, right? You must tell. Particles, particles have less kinetic energy, so they move slower. Okay, and then the distance between or distance or the space between particles become smaller. The distance becomes smaller means what? That is, the particles move closer, move closer to each other. Okay, so you must tell the about the kinetic energy and also the distance between particles how becomes smaller. If become bigger means it is releasing, it is absorbing heat. Okay, all right, and give two example of n. N is a sublimation. Okay, because it's solid going to gas, so it must be a sublimation. Yeah,
Mothball and dry ice.
dry ice and
Mothball.
mothball. ஓகே mothball வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா அதுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் கூட சொல்லுவாங்க. நெஃப்தலின் சொல்லுவாங்க. நெஃப்தலின். ஓகே, ஸோ அது சொல்லலாம். எஸ், ட்ரை ஐஸ் சொல்லலாம். அப்புறம் ட்ரை ஐஸ், நெஃப்தலின், Naphthalene. Lagi satu kamu jangan lupa yang lagi satu இன்னும் என்னன்னா அந்த இது அந்த பர்பிள் கலர் இருக்குமே இது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க say solid iodine. Solid iodine dia boleh terus tukar jadi gas. Solid iodine. Okay. Solid iodine. Alright. Now we have a mother problem here. Mother trying to cool drink for her children in a faster rate. So she placed a bottle under the flowing tap water. Why is the basin placed under a running tap? Your answer?
சார் எனக்கு வந்து ப்ராப்பரான சென்டென்ஸ் தெரியல. ஆனா அது
It,
ஒரு
it's
ஒரு
okay. You just
பேர்
give நீ
தெரியல.
அந்த பாயிண்ட் சொன்னா கூட ஓகே தான். நான் பார்க்குறேன் நீ எந்த அளவுக்கு யோசிச்சிருக்கேன்னு.
ஓகே சார்.
Alright.
அந்த அந்த மங்கோல வந்து அந்த தண்ணி வந்து மில்க்ல இருந்தனோட ஹீட் வந்து அந்த தண்ணியில வந்து ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிரும் kalau tak buka tap water.
Aha.
Tap waterல இருந்து cold water வரதுனால அந்த ஹீட் வந்து dia mengalir turun.
Yeah, betul. Okay. எப்பவுமே வந்து ஹீட் வந்து ஹாட் பிளேஸ்லேருந்து கோல்ட் பிளேஸ் தானே போவோம். ஸோ இட் வில் கண்டினியூஸ்லி the heat is transferred into the tap water that is flowing lah. Okay, good. You have the points. Okay. ஸோ எப்படி ப்ராப்பராக எழுதலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம வந்து சொல்லலாம் யாரோட டெம்பரேச்சர் ஹையாக இருக்குது லோவாக இருக்குது தென் எங்கே இது எங்கே ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகுது அவ்வளோதான் 2 பாயிண்ட். ஓகே ரைட். ஸோ we tell the temperature of what do you call that milk bottle is high while okay is higher, just write a comparison statement lah, is higher than the tap water. So heat from the milk bottle flow or transferred into the tap water as heat flow from hot region to cold region. Okay, good. You got the points. Basically இந்த மாதிரி தான் lah. Then you kemas sikit lah point dia. Okay, the thing I want to hear is your comparative statement and you must tell from where to where the heat is transferred. Heat transferred into the tap water. Okay, and then if they give you third mark then you can tell hence you can write hence the milk bottle will will be cool like that. Akan sejuk lah.
Done sir.
Done. Okay, good. Next போலாம். Next வந்து நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா இது வந்து very interesting topic. இந்த like if you don't like this one all is the physics type lah. Physics வந்து இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு மிஷின் எப்படி வேலை செய்யுது எனர்ஜி things like that lah, electricity, electromagnetic, all the calculation stuff lah. The one we call physics field. Okay. um alright, just now one also physics also. Physics and chemistry இது வந்து physicsலயும் படிப்போம் chemistryலயும் படிப்போம் மேட்டர் பற்றி. ஓகே இது வந்து கண்டிப்பாக physics தான். A lever is a simple machine that allow you to gain mechanical advantage in moving an object or in applying a force to an object. Alright, we know that. Diagram 5.1 is show a wheelbarrow. Okay, what type of class of lever கேக்குறாங்க? So what type is it?
Second class level.
Yeah, second class. Why you tell second class?
Load நடுவுல இருக்கும்.
Very good. Okay, classes of lever பார்ப்போம் கொஞ்சம். Classes of lever. Classes of lever kena ingat. Ingat apa? Flames ke, flies ke, whatever lah your teacher teach you. Flames. Okay. So first class, second class, third class. Dia punya position dia FLE. Okay, tengah-tengah. Alright. Yang ni dia boleh jadi kalau force dekat sini load and effort. Effort and fulcrum or fulcrum and effort. Kalau yang ni fulcrum and load or vice versa, doesn't matter. Kena tengok tengah-tengah tu apa dia. Alright, so if you see here, here is our effort, this is the fulcrum, this is the load. So load at the center, so that means this is a second class lever. Very good. Name one more device that have same class lever as wheelbarrow.
Nutcracker.
Nutcracker. Alright, yes. Nutcracker. Okay. Alright. அந்த paper cutter தெரியும்ல? Paper cutter what class level? The one yang ada macam tu. We cut the paper here.
First class.
Some first class ah. Okay, let us see. You put your, this is your effort. This is your fulcrum. Here you put the paper load. So it should be second class as well. Remember, this one also is a second class. What we call paper cutter. Okay, question B. They show a scissors. Is a pair of scissors as the same class level as of a wheelbarrow?
No.
Why?
Because scissors fulcrum is at the middle, which means scissor is first class level.
Very good. Okay. The fulcrum is at the, it is at the middle சொல்றதுபோல is between அப்படி போடலாம், like is between load and effort in scissors which means it is first class lever. Wheelbarrow on the other hand is a second class lever. Okay. All right. Explain the differences between first class lever and second class lever.
First class level has fulcrum in the middle, and the second class level has load in the middle.
All right. That would be the obvious answer. Okay. In first class lever, fulcrum is between load and effort, while in second class lever load is between fulcrum and effort. Okay, next application question. Diagram 7.3 show two claw hammer yang boleh cabut. You are required to remove a nail by using one of the claw hammer. Which claw hammer will be your choice? Explain your answer.
Claw hammer X.
Why?
Because further the position of fulcrum with the from the position of force applied, lower force is needed to remove a nail.
Very good. Very good. Your answer is really good. Okay. Yes, அதான் சொல்லுவாங்க. அதாவது இது வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா moment of forceக்கு வந்துருச்சு இப்ப. இது வந்து moment of force சொல்லுவாங்க. அதாவது நம்ம fulcrum இங்க இருக்கு. Kalau moment of force ni is equal to force times distance. Okay? Moment of force is force times distance. So, when your distance bertambah, your force will be berkurang. Okay? So அதான் அந்த distance வந்து நம்ம சொல்லணும் perpendicular distance from the fulcrum to the uh, point where the force is applied, force of point of application of force அப்படி கூட சொல்லலாம். Okay, right. So because the what do you call perpendicular distance from pivot point or fulcrum, or we call fulcrum, to the எங்க சொல்றது to the point of application of force is greater, so the force applied will be smaller. So that's why we use X. We don't use the shorter hammer. Okay, right. Okay, we can try more questions. Okay, soalan 8, the bumi, matahari. Okay, this one is the geohazard. Yeah. Okay, about alam sekitar, and yeah, one of my favorite question. Oh, we have a nutrition topic. My favorite also. Alright, I want to discuss the question 8 and 9. Acid alkali. Form 2 and this is form 1 lah. Okay, ozone layer all form 1. Form 1 and form 2 again. Alright, you may try 8 and 9. Okay, question 8. What is ozone? State the main function of a ozone layer. What is ozone?
Ozone is a layer between stratosphere layer and troposphere layer.
Couldn't hear properly. A layer?
Between stratosphere layer and troposphere layer.
Yeah, between troposphere, and
Stratosphere.
apa dia?
Stratosphere.
We can see the tropospheres and the stratosphere in the atmosphere when we learn the layer of atmosphere in our form 1 chapter 9. Okay. Okay. For example, let us do a cross check here. Form 1 science base. Okay. Our ozone layer is, yes, correct. Between troposphere and stratosphere here. Okay. So ozone layer is that contain ozone gas which absorb harmful ultraviolet from the sunlight is found here. All right. We just get some information here. The ozone layer depletes, menipis lah, when chlorofluorocarbon released from pesticide, refrigerator, air conditioner break down the ozone molecule in the ozone layer. Okay, so this is the position of ozone layer. Yeah, correct. Your answer. So a layer between troposphere and stratosphere, the main function is it prevent the harmful UV radiation from entering the earth lah. Okay, so அதுதான் நம்ம மெயினா சொல்லணும். Okay, so the function is, what do you write for the function?
Absorb harmful ultraviolet rays from sunlight.
Absorb or block also can. Block or absorb lah. Absorb harmful ultraviolet. I put UV. You must write in full. Ultraviolet ray from the sun. Okay, ultraviolet ray from the sun reaching directly to the earth. Okay, next. Based on diagram 8.1, what is X? Explain the effects of X towards living things. Dia dah bocor, dia keluar terus. What is X?
Sun ray.
Sun ray. UV ray. It's better if you write UV ray. Ultra violet rays. Okay. And the next question is, explain the effect of X towards living things. Living things means what happened to the human or animal and also to the plants.
Excessive heat can cause greenhouse effect, which at last can cause haze, which cause breathing problem to human, and um, can cause acidic soil, and it will cause the soil to be infertile.
Okay, but you are answering based on the sun heat, right?
Uh,
But the answer is UV ray. So now you have to change the plan ready. Okay. So UV ray வந்து என்ன ஆபத்துனா ஹியூமனுக்கு ரெண்டு ஆபத்து இருக்கு. ஒன்று வந்து ஸ்கின் கேன்சர். ரெண்டாவது வந்து ini cataract mata, eye cataract. Okay. Kalau plants dia terima, okay, plants வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா அதோட plants வந்து எப்படி affected ஆகும்னா UV ray நிறைய வந்துச்சுன்னா it will change the weather. When the weather change, it can reduce the crop yield. Okay, hasil tanaman boleh berkurang. Okay, so we'll put it in sentence lah. First வந்து human will face the risk of getting skin cancer and eye cataract when exposed with UV rays. Okay, UV ray also change the weather pattern, and this will reduce crop yield. Okay, this hasil tanaman. Okay. Copy first.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next, state the substance that contribute to condition at A2 and its source. A2ல நம்ம சொன்னோம் UV ரேலாம் இந்த மாதிரி வருதுன்ட்டு. State the condition that state the substance. What substance is that? அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி X வந்து டைரக்டா வருதுன்னா penipisan atau pembocoran lapisan ozon. So which type of substance contribute that? And
Sulfur
its
dioxide.
no. Lapisan ozonல ஓட்டை விழுதுன்னா சிலபஸ் படி நம்ம ஜவாப் பண்ணோம்னா chlorofluorocarbon. Of course, there are other ozone thinning gas responsible, but in our syllabus we only have chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, and then they ask what is the source. Source dia ada dua benda. Satu cooling agent like the refrigerator, lagi apa, air conditioner, like that. Okay, so so cooling agent substance like air conditioner, refrigerator. Okay, and another type is aerosol. Anything related with aerosol. Aerosol can. Use of aerosol can to spray. No need to spray what? Use of aerosol can is enough. Okay, so these are the gas that are responsible for ozone thinning is chlorofluorocarbon, and the source will be cooling agent substance like air conditioner, refrigerator, and also use of the aerosol can. Okay, chlorofluoro, F-L-U-O, F-L-U-O-R-O, F-L-U-O-R-O. Okay, F-L-U-O-R-O carbon. Ini baru betul. Chlorofluorocarbon. Okay. Next, state one way to overcome the problem of the ozone layer nowadays.
Reduce using air conditioner.
Okay, reduce using boleh kah? Reduce using aerosol can and cooling agents. Or you can ganti dia. Okay. Replace chloro kejut aku chlorofluorocarbon with HCFC, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, HCFC. Yang tu dia tak, kalau chlorofluorocarbon dia akan menipiskan lapisan ozon. Kalau HCFC, it won't responsible for the thinning of the ozone layer. And one more problem here is about the bear here. Another problem caused by air pollution is global warming. Okay, we can see the ice melt left the bear pity like that. Okay, diagram 8.2 show a polar bear facing its problem. State the activity that contribute global warming. Easy. What activity contribute to global warming?
Excessive release of carbon dioxide.
அதுதான் carbon dioxide excessive இருக்கிறது தான். But what are the activity?
Illegal logging.
Yeah, illegal logging, illegal or uncontrolled logging, or deforestation. Dan lagi
Combustion of fuel.
combustion of fuel. Okay, burning of fossil fuel lah. Burning of fossil fuel lagi. Open burning ataupun ini apa kita cakap, pembakaran hutan, forest fire. This one all release carbon dioxide. Deforestation, how? Because the plant getting lesser in number, so the carbon dioxide, the excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere cannot be absorbed. So this will increase the composition of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere lah. Alright. The remaining question I will post the answer lah. You can check. Do and check.
Okay, sir.
Alright. So we end the class here. We shall continue our Form 3 on the upcoming class lah. Sorry, Form 4. I will let you know lah how. Okay? In the group, I will update.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Alright. Take care. Bye.